My friends with First Congregational Church. I wanted to do a quick tutorial video just to make sure we all knew exactly how to make the most of Facebook, in particular the event page that we've created recently for our grand opening on September 16th. This is on a computer, but you can do very much the similar kinds of things on a Facebook application on your smartphone or tablet. So let me just make this bigger so you can see the screen a little bit. First thing you'll want to do, and no telling what will pop up, by the way, on my Facebook page. Forgive me in advance. But I already started typing our church name, First Congregational, and you see it'll be the first one up. If I hadn't started that, you just go to the search bar and start typing and then you should see First Congregational by the time you get that far. If you already follow our Facebook page, and you should see it pop up. If not, type the whole thing and then click it. And what you'll want to do is first you'll want to go make sure you're on our page, or you can look below and you see the event, but I'm just going to show you how to do it if you didn't have the event in your computer at all. Scroll down. Now I'm an administrator on the page, so it'll look slightly different, but you can see we posted an event from the time I'm making this video. It was not too long ago. You'll want to click down here where it says Grand Opening Sunday. This will take you to the event page for September 16th. And what we're wanting to do is get as many people to respond. So if you've not seen this or been invited, first of all, make sure you go. And this area where it says going, I already responded. But if you haven't, you can click interested or not going. Hopefully you'll be able to go, and you can click going. And then once you've done that, go over here to this share button. And when you hover over it, now I'm on a Mac, yours may be different. You may have to click once to see this, but I'm not sure. Mine, when I hover my mouse, you can see what pops up. Well, I want you to share it as a post on your own Facebook. And sure, it'd be great to send it in Messenger, but one really great tool for inviting people is to use this invite friends. So you can see down here already, since just yesterday, now this shows up on my feed based on my data, but you can already see here, of course, I'm going. This list here is of the people who are going already, that have already responded that they're going. I'm sure there'll be others. Over here you can see who's interested, and if you went over here, who's invited. Right now we have 101 invited. Most of those have been either invited by myself, or it looks like Steve Davis. Yay, Steve, has been a wonderful job, and I think Shannon, now Fulton, I nearly said West. Shannon has done a great job. There are others of you I hope will, now that you know how to do this after watching this video, or just need this nudge to be reminded, will do the same thing. So go back here to the top of this event page and invite friends. Just click here on invite friends. It's similar on a phone, but not all. You can choose, these are different events I've hosted in groups and things, but first thing I would encourage you to do is to look. Now I've got several friends listed here, but if you go through and just find ones that you think would be good to invite, that don't let this be a substitute for personal face-to-face or phone call invitations, because there's no substitute for that. But this is a great way to get people thinking about our event, and then when you mention it to them later, they might be more likely to attend. So I'll just find somebody here. I know she's a pastor in Arkansas, so I know she won't probably be coming. But once you can click as many as you want, one at a time, go through your list, and be reminded as you see people, oh, I forgot, maybe they should be invited. You can come up with quite a list over here, and then you click on this, send invites, and it will send them an invitation, and if they click interested or going or not interested, that's fine. But at least you have given that invitation to them for when you have the opportunity later, hopefully, to talk to them in person. Let's try to get this list. See, right now there's 102 invited. I just added that one. It would be wonderful if we could get this list upwards of 500 or 1,000 people invited to our event as soon as we can. So do what you can. I know you love our church, and I'm grateful for all the ways you support it. This is just one more way you can help make September the 16th a success. I hope you'll take the time to do it, and as always, if you have questions, feel free to call me or email me, and I can walk you through it by the phone or find somebody who can meet with you in person, if not myself. Have a great day.